Hello everyone and welcome to a quick VLC Media Player tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to change the language of the VLC Media Player. This is actually quite simple. First of all, I open VLC and we will see it is currently running in English. For this tutorial I will change the language to German. But even if you want to switch to another language, that's no problem, just click where I click and you will get there. To change the language, we click on Tools and go to Preferences. Alternatively, we can also use the shortcut Ctrl+P. And here it is, already the very first option in the menu. My language is currently set to American English. If I click on it, I can select many languages, and if I want to, I can select Auto, then the language is adapted to my operating system. I now change the language to German and click on Save. As we can see, nothing has changed yet. This is because I have to restart the VLC Media Player once, but I don't get any information that I have to do this. So we close the player once and open it again. And now we can see that I have changed the language. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.